Hi friends! Today we're going to be adding and subtracting multiples of 10 by counting on and using number bonds to help our thinking. So the first thing I want to start with is 1, 10, 3 ones. I'm going to move away from place value discs in this lesson, and we're just going to use my drawings to help my thinking. So if I have 1, 10, 3 ones, that's 1, 10, and 3 ones. I see I have 1 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. I know my number is 13. Now I want to think, what happens if I add two groups of 10 to my place value chart? Well, if I add two groups of 10, then my tens place is going to change, but my ones place is going to stay the same. So if I add two groups of 10 to one group of 10, I get 3 tens and 3 ones. Now my number turns into 33. My tens place changed. I just did the equation 13 plus 20 is the same as 33. Now let's see what happens when I add 3 tens to 33. One group of 10, two groups of 10, three groups of 10. Think in your brain. What is 30 more than 33? Look at my place value chart and answer the question in the quiz. That's right. If you said 33 and 30 is the same as 63, you were correct. Notice how the digit in the tens place changes from 33 to 63, but my digit in the ones place has stayed the same the whole time. That's because I'm adding groups of 10. So now I'm at 63, and I want to know, if I take away 4 tens from 63, what would my answer be? And I want you to think in your brain, does my tens place change or my ones place change? That's right. If you took away 4 groups of 10, then you would have 23. My tens place changed because I moved around the tens place, but I didn't touch my ones place, so my digit in the ones place stays the same. Let's do some more. Now I have 34, or 3 tens, 4 ones. If I add 2 tens, how many do you see? That's right, 5 tens, 4 ones, or 54. If I add 2 more tens, how many do you see now? Answer the question on the quiz. That's right. You should have said 7 tens, 4 ones, which is the same as 74. So you had 54, you added 2 groups of 10, and you got 74. Nice work. Now let's do this with some number bonds. Now remember, when I make number bonds, I decompose my number. So if I'm making number bonds out of 74, I would decompose it into my tens and my ones, just like we do for expanded form. 74 is the same as 70 plus 4. If I was to subtract 2 groups of 10 from 74, I could show it this way. I decomposed, and then I'm going to work only with my tens. So 70 minus 20 is the same as 50. And I still have 4 right here because that 4 hasn't gone anywhere. So I know that I have to add it right here, and my answer is 54. 74 minus 20 is the same as 54. My ones place did not change, and my tens place got 2 groups of 10 smaller. Now it's your turn to show 18 plus 20 with decomposing and creating some number bonds. So if I have 18, I'm going to decompose into my tens and my ones. Now I want to add my groups of 10. So on the question, answer, what would you be adding right here? That's right, you should have said 10 plus 20, which is the same as 30. And now I still have 8 here, so I'm going to have 30 plus 8. And my answer is 38. My tens place changed, and my ones place stayed the same because I wasn't changing my ones place. Let's do one more. I'm going to have 56, and I want to take away 3 groups of 10. So let's decompose 56. Now think in your brain, what should I decompose 56 into? That's right, 50 plus 6. Now I'm going to work with my tens first. 50 minus 30 is the same as 20. Now what's my next step? That's right, 20, don't forget about that 6 we had at the beginning, is the same as 26. My tens place changed, it got 3 groups of 10 smaller, and my ones place stayed the same. You're going to need a whiteboard and marker for this activity. You can either do this while using your place value chart like we did at the beginning of the video, or you can show decomposing your numbers and choose to work with your tens first and your ones second. Whichever way you do it, make sure you show your work on your whiteboard, and that way you'll get the right answer on your Nearpod questions. Have fun!